Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Then again 14 minus 3 is equal to also 11. Now 11 multiply 11 is equal to 121. Okay? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis is equal to 14 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. So multiply 11. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. But according to PEMDAS rule, we have to solve multiplication first, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. Is equal to 14 minus, now 3 multiply 11 is equal to 33. So okay, so is equal to 14 minus 33 is equal to minus 19. So the correct answer is minus 19. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.